Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can connect Facebook Pixel into Shopify. So first, when you're here in Facebook, you want to click see more right here, scroll down until you find your shortcuts, and then you want to click on your shortcut. Alright, and when you're here, you want to scroll down right here, and you want to click on Meta Business Suite. Once you're here, you can just click on the settings right here. Alright, now you want to scroll down into data sources, and then you want to click on datasets and pixels. Once you're here, you want to click on add right here. You want to name your dataset. I'm just going to call it test, and you want to click create. Alright, so it is created. Now you want to click on go to events manager. Now you're here, you want to scroll down, and you want to click on the setup meta pixel right here. You're going to click on check for partner, and then you want to scroll down until you find Shopify. Here is Shopify, you want to click on it. You want to click on go to Shopify, and now when you're here in Shopify, you just want to click on your store right here, and it will say to install this Facebook and Instagram, and you just want to click install. Alright, now you can just pin your Facebook and Instagram sales channels, and then you will click on connect account right here. You want to click continue, and now you just want to click connect on your business portfolio. Now you can just choose your preference. You can just be conservative, enhanced, and maximum. I'm just going to choose an enhanced and click save. Alright, now you want to click on the dataset that you made before, agree to the terms and conditions, and click submit for review. And you can just wait for this to load. And now you have successfully installed and connect Metapixel into Shopify. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below, and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.